Hey everyone, Will Marshall here, back with another video today about the new Apple Watch. So the Apple Watch is a device I've actually not had an awful lot of experience with over the years, to be honest. It's one of those Apple devices which I've not really kind of been attracted to massively over the years, mainly because I've dabbled. I haven't always had an iPhone, right? The one thing with an Apple Watch that you need to have is an iPhone. You can't activate it. You can't pair it to an iPad or a Mac. You have to have an iPhone. So, and for like a vast number of the last few years, I haven't used an iPhone. I've been an Android user. So what I really wanted to do was get the chance to use kind of a premium, a top of the range Apple Watch. So I'm kind of going from this Apple Watch Series 1 here to a brand new Apple Watch Series 6. Now, I've bought myself a 44mm casing, product red, as you may expect. If you're a fan of the channel, you'll see I'm a big fan of red tech products. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing video here right now, and then I'm going to use it for a little bit, use it in my day-to-day, use it for some of my workouts and sort of activity monitoring sort of stuff, and give you some thoughts as to what I think about this and kind of what the experience has been like going from a very early model Apple Watch to this brand new one. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to bring out the old box for the Series 1. So, and it'll show you quite how different in size the boxes are. So here is the Series 6, as you can see. If I bring up the Series 1 box here, you can see it's quite a lot chunkier. So this is the Apple Watch Series 1 box. It's quite a monument, really. This big chunky square box. It's kind of like, I guess in those days, maybe more so in those days when it first came out, it was seen really as this kind of premium product, and that I think that the box and the casing and the packaging inside this, if you open it up a bit, right, let's just open it out. You see the box, and inside the box is another box, a plastic polycarbonate kind of case for the Apple Watch, which looks like this. And then inside there you have this kind of little stand mechanism, which is where the Apple Watch would sit when you unboxed it. Which is, it's a very premium, a very kind of interesting experience when you first unbox that. I think the new one, as you can see with this case here, a much more slimmed down experience. I don't think you're going to get a charging brick in this, which seems to be Apple's statement of 2020 at the moment. So I'm just going to go ahead and unbox this quickly now. So here we go. So you've got so I say it's the product red edition here, Series 6, aluminium casing, 44mm. So the bigger model. And yeah, let's go ahead. I'm gonna pull back the packaging nicely here, so we can get the. So the box itself is very minimal, very simple, as you'd expect from Apple. Pull up these tags, I guess. Out it comes. Fold outwards. Okay, wow. Okay, and you've got this really quite fancy looking red interior for the product red. There it is, the red casing. So I'm going to remove that. Let's remove here. You get two boxes. See, one of them is the product red sport band. I'll leave that there for now. And this one here is the actual Apple Watch itself. So let's just unbox that. Get that out. There it is. Okay. In here you're getting the usual Apple setup documentation. Here you go, explanation as to how the Apple Watch works in terms of what the different buttons do here, and then you've got the traditional product red documentation on here. Partnership with Red, Apple will contribute a portion of the Apple Watch purchase to the Global Fund to support HIV and AIDS program and help deliver an AIDS-free generation, which is a great cause. I love that, as well as it being red tech. Here you go. Inside the box, you've got your charging puck, wireless charging puck, not a Qi wireless charging puck. I think it's a proprietary thing you can only use with the Apple Watch. So here you go. There it is, the cable there. Sort of a little mini thing, very similar, I think, to the one I have for the previous one. I'm just going to get rid of that. It's not that important. And this here is, of course, the Apple Watch itself. So it comes in this very sweet looking sort of paper wrap, almost. It's kind of like a paper wrap affair. So I think if I slide it up and out, it's harder than it looks. There you go. Okay, there you go. There's the watch. The product red aluminium casing does look pretty awesome. Now I'm going to take off my kind of Series 1 Apple Watch here. That is a Series 1 38mm case versus the new or the 44mm case for the Apple Watch Series 6. Yeah, it's very similar. Obviously the design is almost identical over the years. Obviously I've got an aluminium case here, not a stainless steel one. It feels lighter, although this one is bigger and it's got far more tech in it. It feels considerably lighter than the stainless steel case. I guess that's the materials there coming through as well. Now we've done that, let's have a look at the band. This is the product red sport band, so it'll be the rubber. So very similar to my black sport band I have with my original John Apple Watch here. So let's just go ahead and unbox that. Out we go here. That's that. Band, Apple Watch, more documentation. Lots and lots of guidance here as to how to attach it, and there is the band itself. So medium to large, and you've got medium and large here, a small one here, and then this is obviously your other end strap. So we'll just take those out. Here we go, quickly. Yeah, that's it. In terms of the feel, it's very similar. That kind of rubber feel is very similar to what I've got on my previous, my previous Gen 1. This is obviously a little bit more worn. Had it for a few years, or it's been used certainly by me and by my mate for a few years. But the design is very similar. I wonder if that's it. I wonder if that will fit in there, because the black one might look better with the red finish. Make sure we get this the right way round. Here we go. Okay, it's really obvious actually holding this now over that how much lighter this device is. The aluminium casing definitely makes a big difference there in the weight of the watch. I don't think it feels any less premium. Maybe the weight side of it does make it feel a little bit less of a premium feel, but I still think it still looks fantastic. It's still like a top end Apple Watch, so you're not missing out on the premium features at all. Okay, right, so that's now on. There you go. You can now see this. This is the brand new Series 6 Apple Watch on my wrist. It feels really comfy, actually, really nice and light. The bigger size doesn't feel too big, actually. I was kind of worried it would kind of dwarf my wrist a bit, but it doesn't at all. Actually, it feels really nice. I think I might end up buying myself. Oh, it's turning on now. That's good. I might end up buying myself one of these more fancy-looking Solo Loop, a black Solo Loop maybe, for kind of smart wear. The rubberized one here, this one will certainly be good for sports and taking it out for a run or for a swim. I'm going to now set this up and start using it in my day-to-day, and we'll see how we get on, and I'll report back maybe in a few weeks, a month's time, with some thoughts as to how I feel about the new Apple Watch Series 6. As you can see there it is, looking nice and new, nice and smart against everything else. That's been my really quick unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 6. Please do subscribe to the channel if you like what you see, and do ask any questions of the Apple Watch as well in the comments. Please do like the video as well, that'd be great. It always helps with the channel as well for someone like me who's up and coming in the YouTube community to get more likes and subscribes, so any help there would be really much appreciated. I just want to say thank you very much for watching. Please do take care and stay safe in these uncertain times, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Cheers.